What up, guys? I don't know. The girl MELICASKYLIFE in the building. Yo, I wanted them. I'm currently walking to go around the back of this establishment hall. Writing off. Guys, I'm feeling sick today. I'm catching the flu. So I'm a bit under the weather. But notice every time I wear the blouse here, it's like my catching flu or something. What's up with this blouse though? But I've been catching the flu from yesterday. So I'm trying to fight it off. My voice kinda rough, but I'm still trying to fight it off. Today is Wednesday. I don't have school. So I am going home to try and get some school stuff done. I still, like by this time I'll be uploading. Hopefully my computer is up and running properly, because my computer was down for a long time. I have multiple computers and the computer them now work. So I have to get one new computer and stuff. So that was one of the things that I wasn't uploading. Plus I was taking some time to myself, you know. Enjoy myself, enjoy life, and you know, get myself balanced and in tuned. And I'm glad I'm back now, back at it again. So I will talk to you guys later. Not lighting though. Talk to you guys later on today. Later.
I never heard the word no. If I heard the word no, it meant maybe. Then I made maybe yes.
Take what you've got. Your assets are your energy. Your assets are your willingness to just not be told no. The harder it is, the tougher it is, the bigger the challenge to get in, the bigger the opportunity behind. The opportunities behind are endless. I really, really believe.
Good morning, guys. You don't know. It's a girl MELICASKYLIFE in the building. Yo! How I did them? Gang, gang, gang. I've been sick from the last week. My voice just a come back. I've been hoarse. You know, I don't know, but I kind of like being hoarse. Damn, Melica. I kind of like being hoarse sometimes. I like a raspiness there. Right now, my raspiness gone. Because, don't know me, girl, if you cough up them cold there and sit. Can't keep it on my chest. So, my voice kind of come back now. Morning. Yeah, my voice kind of come back now. I'm on my way to school. I feel so tired. I haven't been to the gym in like 3 months in December. I work out at my house, but to me, right now, the level where I'm at, I believe I forgot the gym right now. I don't feel as fulfilled not going to the gym, you know. I like put on my clothes, I like walk to the gym, I like lift weights, you know. Never know those things were gonna be things that I like and enjoy doing. But no, for some reason my lip them look white. My lip corner. I tell you, man's not hot, fam. I'm a paper in my hand whenever I walk and read. Cause every morning I got a class here. Cause the first class I have is law. And what happens in law class is every week you have a test. You see me? So we try to read before class and stuff. But I've been extremely tired. Like not jet lag. I feel like I can't say jet lag, because this is how you feel when you feel jet lag. Like my sleeping pattern messed up for last weekend. Because I had so much activities. So I call it jet lag. Because I say when you travel, your sleeping pattern messed up. So I'm jet lag from when I'm just try and catch up and reschedule back my timing. You know, to be regular sleep hours. And stuff like that. Looking clean. backpack match my pants. Because man's not hot. Yeah guys, so that me I do now. I go on I go on with a steady medi. An idea, yeah. And keep it jiggy. I hope y'all are good, you know. I want to hear from you guys. Message me on Instagram. Instagram is better because Snapchat got upgrade. I'm not really I run down Snapchat like that right now. So add me on Instagram, MELICASKYLIFE. And you can message me there so I can reply. Snapchat is good too, you know. You can add me on Snap as well. But I have not been as active on Snapchat. So when you message me on Instagram, whenever I'm go on it, I will read and reply to y'all's messages. One of the things that I have worked on. Hold on there. Yang. Yeah, so one of the things that I have worked on as an individual is to manage social media. I was a person, I believe that I was too captivated by social media. Every minute me on Snapchat, every minute me on Instagram, every minute me on Facebook. And I have minimized that. I have not been on Facebook for a year now. And that's so commendable in this society today. Snapchat, a couple months down, I really did it on it. For the last 3 months for sure, from January to March, I have not been using social media. I really got a social media detox. I feel so refreshed, so balanced. I don't feel like I'm missing out on anything. I have better conversation with my peers. I relate better. And when Facebook came about, I've always said that there is something else to Facebook. It's not just about uploading pictures, sharing videos and connecting with friends and family. These people have a mastermind behind this plan, and I've realized that social media in itself have created the way them create it for make you become addicted. So when you like upload a picture or upload a video and people like and comment and share, it releases a chemical in your body called dopamine, and dopamine is a high. It's the same thing that you get when you're addicted to drugs. You understand? Alcohol, the same energy release, the same chemical release, and that is how they create these social media platforms to have you be addicted to them. You know? So, yo, that's just me. I gonna look at knowledge right there. So late. Yeah, remember, please remember to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscription button, subscribe, show the love, you know. I appreciate you guys so much, and I'm grateful that I started my YouTube channel and I was able to connect with people around the world, you know. MELICASKYLIFE, keep it locked. So guys, wagwan, look who is here. Just smile, man. Another vlog world. Don't know. Gang. Right now we're in town. We're trying to sort out the laptop. They're giving some problem. So we're trying to sort that out, and then we will be heading home. You want something else?
We'll get something to eat.
That's all she care about, our belly. But she'll get something to eat. Gucci gang. Anyways. Hey, me I look for myself and me just look so different. Oh, me look so the truth. I'm a dimple that show on the right. Yeah. So yeah, that what they are doing now. Wait for the technician to come. And then they are head back down so make the girl get something to eat and then head over. So yeah guys, so remember, give this video a thumbs up. Tell your friends that MELICASKYLIFE, the biggest YouTuber around town, so they have to subscribe. I want them alongside Funky. I want them. Yeah, so yeah guys, I'll talk to you later. Bye.
She not get up. And when Missy said she see the nana go over, I realized yeah, I just go and hold me.
So yeah, people in that things are here. I don't know about stuff, but I run into
But it was just a coincidence, you understand? Right. No, but what me look into yesterday, look how the, you know, round at the back big. Right, vlog girl?
You tell me about one scenario happened yesterday.
Round at the back big. She have her bag and throw around her bag. You know me tiny, me can't take it. Sorry.
No, about 6 times you look for my hand?
No.
I'm very hot. So let me stop it right now. Let me stop you.
I say, sorry.
This is muscles, it's hot.
Sorry. Me never say in here or not. Me just give her that bad look then self shake up herself.
So your girl basically beat you.
Which beat up? I have kidding done there. Beat up.
Guys, the number one thing to get through is in life, you have to drink water. Water with wow. Jamaica's bigger better network.
No,
I
man,
joke,
you know
that's
say-
the wrong slogan. But I always drink water. I prefer the Good Life brand because a lot of it's pure. I don't know, the water just have a refreshing feel about it. When I drink Good Life versus the other brands, Good Life are the best. So Good Life underneath to sponsor me because I drink Good Life all day, every day, and it represents me. I'm all about the Good Life, like Zach and Cody. You're that deep, you know. Anyways,
Something like what Lincoln did I say. You man,
anyways, I don't know about him, sorry. So yeah, we are going here. So guys, right now we're in Bashko, the great Bashko. You eat what time? Yeah. And them the rest of them sell. Don't matter to slackness. Them the rest definitely bleach.
Hey, what is rice now for?
Yeah, so we came here to look on some stuff. We just finished. This is the IT guy who now fix the computer them. Joe, this is the best IT guy. You want the computer to be fixed? Jomo. He's the guy.
so tell them the location.
He's located at
Church Street, man. Just give them a number.
yeah, if you want the number, just hit me up. I'll give it to you. Mobi. There, look on again. Jomo chop bad. No, miss, you have no cookies in here? No, no cookies. So yeah, guys, we're actually gonna head home. Why me shine though? We're gonna get
We'll get okay.
we're gonna get something to eat fishy. Cause I don't eat fever side there. I eat from what time I eat today, Steph? From about 5 o'clock.
Yeah.
She'll get something to eat. Chances are I'll get peas or some. Right, Steph? What is that? Coconut cookie. I don't want to sweet. So guys, I'll talk to you later. No, this is where I end this vlog. Punky, I don't want them after school. This is where I end this vlog. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscription button and definitely show the love. Bye.